and welcome to Sanam's kitchen. Today I am bringing you this a tea time snack, or it could be a side dish, which is really delicious. It's vegan, it's gluten free, and it is made up of very healthy vegetable that you normally would not like to have, and you will be surprised how easy it is to make, and it is very delicious. And this spinach rolls, yes, that's right, it's made from spinach, and it is very savory and delicious delicacy. So let's start the recipe. But before we do, I'd like you to subscribe my channel so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. So we're going to begin with 1.5 cup of gram flour or besan. To that I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger and green chili paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and this is a jaggery or gur or molasses. I'm just going to dilute this with water so that there is no lumps in the batter. So just mix with about a tablespoon of water or so and add this. Now add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. You can also use tamarind pulp, and salt as per taste. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix water, and we want to make a thick paste. So I'm going to add water gradually and mixing it. So this is how we want. This is the consistency, like a thick paste. So we want to move aside, and I'm going to take spinach leaves which I have washed thoroughly and dried. Now these are the big spinach leaves. You want to choose the bigger leaves as much as possible. Now remove the stem, and we want it to lay flat, and the dark green side would be on the bottom, or it doesn't matter because these leaves are so soft. If you would be using Arbi leaves or Taro leaves, then you would want it to, the placement would be matter, otherwise it doesn't matter here. So we wanted to apply the paste on it and then put another leaf and then apply the paste. So we want to just layer the leaves and make like a big sheet so that we can roll it. So you can lay the smaller leaves on top. So I'm going to fold it from the side and then roll it tight. Make sure it's tight rolls so that it doesn't open up. So here the rolls are ready. Now it's ready to go into the steamer. So I have water boiling, and then I'm going to put a steamer basket and apply some oil so that it doesn't stick to it, and then put the rolls on in it and steam it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now this is a really delicious because it is also very healthy because we are steaming it and then shallow frying it, so it's not that much calorie in it, and this is completely gluten free. So now once the rolls are cooled, we wanted to slice them. I sliced it at the angle, but you can slice it round. Look how beautiful the layer looks, and nobody can tell the difference between patra and this patra made from spinach. So here the patra is ready. Now I'm going to temper it by heating 2 tablespoons of oil. When oil is hot, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and green chilies as per taste. few curry leaves and asafoetida or hing, and then add the chopped patras in it. Now we wanted to lay flat in the pan so that each patras can get nice golden brown color. And then we wanted to add sesame seeds. It adds a really beautiful look to it. I really love to add a lot of sesame seeds. And then flip them around and see how beautiful golden it looks. And then I'm going to add coconut powder. If you have freshly grated coconut, that would be a really nice flavor, but I have coconut powder for now. And then garnish with fresh coriander leaves or hara dhania, and serve this with garma garam masala chai. Now this is a really good snack and very flavorful, very healthy, and it is one of my favorite tea time snacks. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And what do you think about this recipe? Please let me know in the comment box below and give a thumbs up. I'll see you with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.